Hello everyone. Today I would like to do a review of hot glue gun from Parkside. It's hot glue gun, not aqua version. It's classic version with cable. In the box you can find hot glue gun with 3 nozzles with different diameter. Also stand which you can use as a holder. You can find there 3 sticks, 3 glue sticks, and cable. This glue gun has maximum temperature 190 and heating time roughly 5 minutes based on the information from manufacturer. But anyway, we will test heating time. But on the start we will measure dimensions. Length of these two is roughly 21 centimeter, and in this direction 17 centimeters. Okay. Cable is long enough. Also, if not, after heat it, you can use it without cable. Okay. Now we can also measure the time. We also have there one small stick, therefore we need to add other. So now it's switched on. It's still cold. We need to wait a bit. During the heating I can share other colors and type of sticks. You can also buy it and where I put the link below the video. Also important thing, you need to have sticks with diameter 11 millimeters. This is important. Stick is still cold. After 1 minute, after 1 minute 50 seconds, it start melt. But it's still not usable. Three minutes 30 seconds after start. Now it's better. It's almost 4 minutes, but it's still not as should be. I think now it's usable after 4 minutes and 10 seconds. We also measure time without cable. Now it's really usable. Four minutes 40 seconds. So I think this is enough. We can also measure time without cable. So we can start measure time. It's not connected. After 2 minutes, still okay. Other interesting thing is price. Price is around 10 euro, which is very good price, I think. Now you can see after 3 minutes it's still usable. Five minutes 30 seconds. It's okay. Also, if you don't want to use this stand, you can use this. It's also useful. Now 8 minutes from start. It's still not connected. 9 minutes. I think now it's on discussion if it's still okay or not. I think it's usable up to 9 minutes. But if you don't need some good looking result, maybe you can use it also now. It's 9 minutes 30 seconds, and I think it's end. So it's quite good tool for some design jobs or something like this. You also can use main stand with connection to cable, or this stand which is mounting directly on the hot glue gun. Okay, so it's the end. It's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, you can give me a like and subscribe my channel. It helped me to improve quality of my content. And have a nice day. Bye.